Right, hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Cherry's Claws and this is going to be my first unboxing. This is a package from Handolly sent by Kelly in the UK and I'm very excited to get it, so thank you very much and let's go unboxing. So who can resist? 2 pops. Right. What is it? I can't wait. Made a little bit of a mess there. It's okay. Open up this. Take a nice good look. How well that is, except for the tips have come open, but that's fine. Maybe over there. Lost it. We have some really nice jewels. Open it and see what we've got. Spread them into it and have a look. We've got a nice bow and a nice ring from Handolly. Some nice jewels there, nice big ones. It's a very nice selection. You've got greens and blues. Take a nice look at them. That bit of pink. Nice little heart. So they're going to be fun to use. I'll zoom in on them. It's a very nice assortment, so thank you very much, Kelly. Move into the suite. And then we have a very nice clamp, very sturdy looking to clamp onto the table. Just unspin it here, take it as far as you need, open it up and clamp it to the table. It's very sturdy, very strong, well made. We have lovely flower hand prop in white, thank you. Then we have a set of tips which are for base nails for Handolly. Those come with a kit. I have a whole box of tips and I need to sort, which is going to be fun. And we have a very bright blue sleeve, which when we put our clamp up, oh, that's ever so easy. We put our clamp out, we bend the bar for wherever we want to use it, and we can take sleeve, put it over the handrail. Have a little mess with that. As you can see, you fully on the end. Inside this box here we have out. A lovely little torch. This is to cure stones or gel onto Handolly. Little pressy button at the top. Get some batteries into it and then we can show you how it works on later videos. Very cool. I also for Christmas got a voucher for Rachel's store. This is £25 voucher. Her store's printbyexample.com. She does some amazing nail decals, personalised cups. You've got your business cards, calendars, lots of things, so check out her website. And the thing we've all been waiting for, Dolly herself, with a beautiful, very beautiful ring. She's very, very well made. And she feels very real, looks very, very real. Her tips will slide out. Then you have this one, which is, I can't see the number, the number 5. You just push it straight back in there, nice and flat, and push your finger straight back into the well. And you can do that with all of those base nails. She even has a thumb. Then you can also bend her toes. She's very stiff. So when you're doing your client, which you can pop her on here, and when you're using her to do, set like that. Just pop a sleeve on to make it look very cool, make it look very realistic. So she's got a jumper, so when you're recording it does look very, very real. Then when as you work on your client, as you would, you'd hold the finger. You can bend the finger then, so you can use just the one. Then carry on with your work. And then you can pose her, say, with a flower or anything you would like. Ooh, bend her down a little bit. She does loosen up as you use her. She's absolutely amazing. I love this ring. This ring is so gorgeous. Thank you very much, Kelly. And she's absolutely brilliant to use as for a new tech like me who's practicing. I can't wait to practice on her. She's going to be so fun. It's going to be so much easier than constantly working on myself and waiting 2 weeks for my nails to grow out. She just slide it out, pop a new tip in, and off you go again. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. It's so realistic. Okay, just bend the thumb like that, finger like that. So yeah, she's my first practice hand, and I cannot wait to get practicing. And there will be lots and lots of videos up on my new YouTube channel. So if you don't mind, please like my video, share my video, and get yourself a practice hand, because even for a experienced tech, she's great to just style out some nails. Maybe your client sees it on the hand and thinks, oh, I want that. Or you can just be literally just practicing a new style that the client's not ready to have yet, and you just want to get it out there. So have a Merry Christmas everyone, and have a lovely day. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye.